Next, we see the problems. The first problem is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So, we know that section formula is P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So, here we have to find out these coordinates of the point P, that is we have to find out x and y. So, they given the points, 2 points, that is AB, we can take it as AB. The first point is 4, -3 and second point is 8, 5. So, this 4, -3 is x1, y1, 8, 5 is x2, y2, and this point will divide the line segment in the ratio 3:1, that is m1 is 3, m2 is 1. So, now substituting the values. So, first m1 is 3, x2 is 8 plus m2 is 1, x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is 3 plus 1, here m1 is 3, y2 is 5 plus m1 is 1, y1 is -3 divided by 3 plus 1. So, 8 3 is 24 plus 4 1 is 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 and 5 3 is 15 plus 1 into -3 is -3 divided by 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So, 24 plus 4 is 28 by 4 and 15 plus into minus is -3, 15 minus 3 is 12. So, 28 by 4, so 4 7 is 28 and 4 3 is 12. Now, equate separately. Now, here equate separately. So, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. So, x is 7, y is 3. You should remember that if you give x, y which is equal to a, b, this is the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment in the ratio m1 into m1 is to m2. So, here x is equal to a, okay, and y is equal to b. You should remember that. Okay. So, like that here I equate the x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. Here also comma, here also comma. Okay. Next problem is, in what ratio does the point -4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points A of -6, 10 and B of 3, -8. Here they given this is the line segment, the point A this is, the point B is this is, okay, and here they also given the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment, that is 4, 6, okay. We have to find that in what ratio this point will divide this line segment, that is we have to find out m1 and m2, okay. Here they given coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment, and also they given these points A and B. We have to find out ratios m1 and m2. Okay. See here, let -4, 6 divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. We do not know m1 and m2, we have to find out by using section formula. The section formula, we know that the P of x, y is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So, the P of x, y point is -4, 6, which is equal to, here m1 is, we do not know m1, okay, m1, write m1 as, and here x2 is 3. See here x2 is 3, okay, and minus x1 is -6 m2, okay, divided by m1 plus m2, and here y2 is minus 8 into m1 is minus 8 m1 plus y1 is 10. 10 into m2 is 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. See here, if x comma y is equal to a comma b, then this x equal to b and y equal to, x equal to a, y equal to b. Similarly, we just equate here, minus 4 is equal to this first one, 3m1 minus x2 divided minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2, and 6 is equal to this. Okay. So here minus 4 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2, and 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So now take it this first equation. Okay, the minus 4 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is cross multiplied here. So now minus 4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2 as it is. Okay. Now multiply minus 4 into m1 plus m2. Minus 4 into m1 is minus 4m1. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 4 into m2 is minus 4m2 is equal to 3m1 plus 6m2. Now rearrange this equation and write the like terms in one side. Okay. So here the like terms are m1. So here the m1. Okay. So here negative is there. First shifting this minus 4m to this RHS side. So 3m1 this will becomes positive plus 4m1 is equal to here minus 4m2. So just shift to 6 minus 6m2 towards LHS. So minus 6m2 becomes positive. So 6m2 minus 4m2. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 7m1 plus 2m2. So when you write in the division form or in the fraction, okay. So how to write? This is 7m1 divided by m2. We can write it like this. Okay. So this is 2. Now the 7 goes here. So that will become m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. So the line P of minus 4 comma 6 which divides the AB internally in the ratio 2:7. Okay, this is m1 by m2. We can write it in 2:7. Okay.